What's up, guys? It's me, Evie here. Today we have another unboxing video. I believe I've only done 2 unboxing videos, so I'm gonna, or it's just one. Anyway, if this is annoying you and stuff, it looks like an Easter one because it has bunnies and Easter stuff. Let me out of here! Unboxing. It comes with 7 surprises, and it might come with a lesson. Hi, Amy. Anyway, let's just get this unboxing open. Wait. Pull here. Ooh, I've never had a full set without it breaking. Oh, actually it did break a little. Ow. There. Look at the color! Okay. Power Daisy. Wait, Flower Power. Flower Power. Oh, I was like holding it like that, so I had no idea. Anyway, Flower Power. Can't believe I actually wrote that. And look at that color. I think that might be a rare or something, because isn't that usually how it is? Oh, look, there's confetti. Okay, I'll have to clean this up a minute. Okay, pull here. How do you open? Oh. I haven't had a full set that didn't break. Okay, that was actually very exciting for me. Wait, do I have any characters? I guess not. Wait, this is holding it on. Okay, do not take a picture of that face. Look at that color. Okay. Looks like a fresh smell of food. Is this a huge ball? Guess there's no other lotion. Just a second. And I didn't. Maybe there's something in the confetti. Okay. I'll get back with you once I check. Unfortunately, there was nothing. I thought it was. Look at that wrapping. I don't know what the sticker's for, but she must be an ultra rare or something. I don't think this is her. I might have her or her. Oh, these shoes are cute. Wait, which way? Ah. Look at these tiny shoes. Okay, now I'm going to get them. Okay, nothing else. Oh, trash goes over here. Doesn't matter. Oh, I didn't notice. Okay. This feels itty bitty, so it might be like a necklace or something. Oh, this is so cute. A little ice cream cone. Wait, this is her, so don't want to touch her. Wait, or is this her? No, that's not her. Look at this sippy bottle. Isn't it cute? Definitely Easter theme. Definitely. I wonder if she spits, cries, or tingles. Or color changes. I forgot. Wait, yeah, this is the doll. Oh, I have something. Oh, it's a two-piece outfit. Okay. Look at her little skirt. It's so cute. I know it's a her because it didn't show it. Oh my god, that is stinking adorable. I love this outfit. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. And it's a two-piecer. If you were wondering, it is a two-piecer. Okay, there's some extras. Okay, what's in here? What's in here? Oh my god, this style. I love it. It's so cute. Look at her bag. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Wah, 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 wah. Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. It's so violent. Okay, let's open the door. No way. Oh, the picture actually shows who it is. So the sticker actually shows who you got. But she is so beautiful. Dancing, 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 dance. Thank you for letting me out of here. Now get me dressed. Now look at her bra. It's a cute bra. It's definitely Easter. Her panties are literally an egg. And her socks look like her bra. I love that hair right here. And is that a heart? Yeah, that's a heart. And I love her. I just noticed this. She has one blue eye and one purple eye. I love her. I'm happy I picked her. Dance. And I'll see you when I get back with her outfit on. In a snap. Just joking. I'll see you in a snap, okay? Ready? Set, go. I am. And look at that cute outfit. Okay, I'm so holding. Now look at those glittery shoes. She goes really tall. And let me give you it. And see some ice cream, my favorite. Turn around, turn around, turn around. I don't know if that's the actual song or not. Her sticker shows her. Wait, what's her name? Chick A.D. Wait. One sec. I need to figure out her name real quick. Her name is Chickadee. No, it sounds a little odd, but Chickadee right here. And her flower is Flower Power. And her bottle. And her stinking adorable bag that her bottle can literally just drop in. Instead of you going there. And she is stinking adorable. Ice water. Color changing time, instead. Ice water. I am back with some ice water. Free watery. Ice watery. Okay, I don't know if you guys got that. Anyway, time. Get your ice cream out. Take off her stressful shoes. Wait. I'm not sure if she's a color changer. But we'll see. Because I have a feeling like her egg's gonna color change or like her eyes or something. Okay, you ready? Did those color change? Weren't those white? Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, the water's free! I can't put my finger in here. Okay. Nope, she is definitely not a color changer. Wah, wah, wah. But we can't. Oh my god, my fingers are freezing. I'm just gonna chill and walk. Where's her water cup? Here it is. Get out! I have to grab it with my mouth. Okay, finally. Okay, ready? You want a drink? Yes, please. It looks like she's gonna be a tinkler or a spitter because I don't see any cry holes. Gulp, 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 gulp. Wait, let me grab some more water. Ready for a gulp. Okay, let's see what you do. She's a spitter. Or she's a tinkler. You know what? We don't need her bottle. Just grab her face, throw in the ice cold water, pull it up. Now we can see. She just spit on me! Bleh. 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 It's that Corey. Bleh. Bleh. Corey. Yuck. Do you need a towel, Missy? Yes, please. Well, I need to get this kid to the doctor, so thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Did I say no? Okay, let me just restart. Well, guys, thanks for watching my channel. Not It's Me Evie anymore. It's Everleigh's Wonderland now. Anyway, well, guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. And give me a huge thumbs up. And make sure that thumbs up button turns blue. So, bye guys. Everleigh's Wonderland. Doop doop.